Welcome back to Sciencing Around. Today we are making in our next video, that is radioactivity, the last part of the modern physics, the most important and weighty chapter of the physics, radioactivity. Radiations of alpha, beta and gamma rays, alpha particles. Alpha particles energies vary from 5 mega electron volts to 9 mega electron volts. Velocity varies from 0.01 times speed of light to 0.1 times speed of light. So high fucking velocity, that's quite good. We can time travel through an alpha particle. Beta particles, they are fast moving electrons having charge equal to electron minus e, and mass is 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kg. Velocity varies from c by 100 to 99 fucking c by 100. We can definitely travel our time through this. What is gamma radiation? The electromagnetic wave is very short wavelength. They have no charge and no mass. They have maximum penetrating power and maximum ionizing power. Hulk smash! That's the Hulk secret. Now, the most important formula, dN upon dt, that is change in neutrons upon change in time, is minus of lambda times n, where lambda is decay constant, that is constant for each and every type of reactions, and n number of atoms at nt and t equals to t. Nt equals to n naught into e power minus lambda t, where lambda t is 2.303 log of n naught upon nt. Not so important formula, but you can use it somewhere. If lambda is given, t is given. So nt equals to n naught into e power minus lambda t, where n naught is number of neutrons at t equals to 0 and nt is number of neutrons, that is n naught is final, nt is final and n naught is initial, and all that stuff. You can see now our last page of modern physics. I'm so happy to complete this thing. That is the half-life. That is half-life. Half-life is the time taken in which one half radioactive substance disintegrates. Now, how does this process of half-life goes? Now, see here. There is one element having 100% of it. Now, let this be element of 100 grams. Alright. 1 T half, that is one half-life. It gets up to 50. Another half-life, it gets up to 25. Another half-life, it gets up to 12.5, 6.25, 3.125, 1.5125, and all that stuff. So that's the half-life. Half-life equals to n naught upon 2. Also nt equals to n naught into 1 upon 2 power n. The most fucking important formula of the modern physics, radioactivity. That is n times t. That is the final number of neutrons equals to initial number of neutrons upon 2 power n, where n is the total time upon the half-life. Total time upon the half-life. That's so great formula. Mean life is 1 upon lambda. Most of the formulas are based on this thing, 1 upon 2 power n. Just remember this formula. I'll be just using this formula most while solving the questions, I'll bet you. Now, Soddy-Fajans law. When alpha particle is emitted, we heard this before, right? That was some other thing. When alpha particle is emitted, atomic mass decreases by 4 and number by 2. We'll just learn that. Again, we're learning when beta particle is emitted, only atomic number increases by 1 and no change when gamma particle is produced. Now, activity of radioactive isotope. Activity is change in neutrons upon changing time. That's in the neutrons. I'm not saying neutrons, neutrions. Change in neutrons upon change in time. At time equals to 0, activity is A naught. And if at time equals to t, activity is AT, then what's the formula? A naught equals to dN upon dt equals to minus of lambda times n naught. And AT equals to dN upon dt equals to minus of lambda times nt. Differs with simple nt. And one more so fucking hard formula, but so fucking important again. AT equals to A naught into e power minus lambda t. That is final equals to initial into e power minus lambda t. And now some of the fucking units. Marie Curie was so great scientist. 1 Curie equals to 3.7 into 10 power 10 disintegrations per second, and 1 disintegration per second equals to 1 Becquerel. There are questions in the multiple choice questions. Learn this stuff. And now one more thing we completed with the modern physics. I'm so fucking happy right now. And please, if you like this video, do like, press that like button, and please subscribe my video as I need your support. And stay happy sciencing. And if my teaching method was not acceptable, then please post in the comments how should I teach. Thank you guys, see you soon, happy sciencing.